everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. Today we're going to take a look at something that was sent to me so I could give a review. Let's take a look at it. What we got here today is the TobenONE Docking Station. This thing is sweet. Has a 100-watt charger, so your laptop will stay charged up and be prepared to do all kinds of work for you. So this thing is really sweet. 100-watt charger. Plug-in folds down so it's easy and out of the way. So this will have a lot of power. Let's take a look at it here. Let's look at the end here. You got your two USB-C hookups here. You have a locking station here. This is for those cords that they use to lock things so people don't walk off with stuff. So they use them like in schools and colleges and things like that, and at the library. You can put that in there and that will lock this so they can't walk off with it, very easy. It does have the host here. This is the host. This goes to your laptop. This is a USB-C 3.0. It's got a USB-A. Got two standard USB 3.0. Has a DisplayPort. Two HDMI ports. And a port for your Ethernet. And that's 2.5 gigabytes per second, so that's really fast. So you can have 2 or 3 displays using this. On the end here, we got a micro SD card and a standard SD card. You got your power function and your headphones and your microphone will go in there. And so all kinds of options that you can have with your laptop so you can hook it up and be more productive. And it has these little things that flip up here. These do not hook up to your computer in any way, but they allow you to set your laptop on them like this. And what that does is it allows air to go underneath so your computer doesn't get hot. And then it'll be real handy, right? So you'll be able to hook these up. These will be all on the back. Really fast. And my daughter uses it on her computer and she really loves it.
All right, so this is how it's all connected. This plugs into the wall, and it also plugs in to this PD plug-in that has a lightning bolt by it. So that lets you know that that's for the power. So it comes with this USB-C plug-in, and both sides are USB-C, and you plug in one side to the host and the other side into your laptop that has a USB-C. It has a little stand so you can let air flow through so your laptop don't get really hot. So yeah, that's how that looks. As you can see, it kind of has your laptop at a slant. I really like that. And that's how it looks.
And but you can hook up 2 displays to this and 1 to the DisplayPort, so you can have 3 monitors other than the monitor that you have on your laptop. So you can set up a very nice workstation. So it seems like it's built real sturdy. It's made out of some kind of metal. So it looks like it'll be very hardy. It's got these little non-slip pads on the bottom here so it doesn't slide around on you. And so yeah, alrighty. Well, that's the 16-in-1 docking station. This should really boost your productivity because you can have multiple monitors. And yeah, so this is sweet, really neat, and I highly recommend it. This is sweet, and it's really fast with a 2.5 gigabyte. Yeah, it's really fast. Alrighty, I hope that was helpful.